Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my kitchen. You see how delicious, crispy this samosa? I made it from tortilla bread. It's super easy, super fast, delicious. I will leave in the comment below all the ingredients you need. Now I'm gonna start by cooking the ground beef. I have 1 onion and ground beef. I'm gonna cook them together, add the seasoning, add herbs, and let them cook for at least a minute. You have here the tortilla bread. I'm gonna cut it in half, and I will use the mix of all-purpose flour and water at the edges so I can seal it. And I'm stuffing the meat inside. I will seal it really good because this is gonna go in the fryer. Now I'm gonna start frying. See how golden, nice color, beautiful. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.